Your happiness depends your mindset and your attitude. If you want to become successful in your life, so today you have to change your mindset. And if you want to change your mindset for success, so firstly you have to change your surrounding, because your mindset depends your surrounding. For example, let's say if you spend your most of time, those people, which people all the time think in their mind how to earn rupees, how to earn money, what's the ways of earning money, the people all the time these things in their mind. And you all the time listen in your surrounding, watching in your surrounding. Nisha, you know that person earn 1 lakh rupees per month. And you know that Rohan earn 5,000 rupees per month. You know that. So that time when I sit alone, so that time thousands of thoughts come in my mind. And most of people that situation think that I should take action. My all friends earning money. All people's earning money, and they people earn really. Some people earn 5,000 rupees, some people 50,000 rupees per month, some people earn 8,000 rupees per month. I should take action. I should try earning money. And you know that. You try to understand. Now, firstly, when you start with leave those people which people all the time talk about earning money. So your mindset becoming those people. Your mindset becoming earning money. Why? Because you spend your most of time which people all the time talk about earning money. And if we see another side of this situation, so that time if you spend your most of time negative people, the people all the time think negative, see negative, watch negative, and listen negative, talk about negative things. So your mindset become negative. When you sit alone, so that time thousands of thoughts come in your mind, and more of possibility, the 90% thoughts have negative, because you spend your most of time negative people. The people don't talk about positive things. The people, if you see another people, so you talk about those people negative things. What's the negative of that people? You all the time talk about negative things. So that time your mindset become negative. If you see another people, if you see positive things, so that time you see your focus go negative things of that person, that positive things. You all the time try to grab negative things, because your surrounding have that type. So today, if you want to become successful in your life, so today you have to need positive mindset. And you know that our mindset depend our surrounding. And when you in the next time, when you choose your surrounding, when you choose your friends, so that time you have to choose your friends very carefully, because you know that your success depend your surrounding, your friends, which people you spend your most of time. Because you know that we are the average of 5 people. So today when you choose your surrounding, when you choose your friends, so that time you choose very carefully, because our mindset depend on friends, our surrounding, which people we spend our most of time.